Is it time to buy or sell Netflix stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Netflix. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th of January, 2025, our system has classified Netflix as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.92. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 3.82%. This equates to an average return of 0.55% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a robust and ascending trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The existing 3-month trend anticipates a potential change of approximately 15.7% over the coming 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 11.41% and 32.07%. Regarding the 12-month outlook, it indicates a change of around 52.93% over the next year, with potential returns varying between 32.41% and 70.59%. This corresponds to a price range of approximately $1,151.53 to $1,483.59 after a year. Our latest daily update for Netflix includes the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for Netflix. The Netflix stock price gained 1.35% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025, rising from $858.10 to $869.68. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 7.21%, reaching a low of $854.75 and a high of $916.40. The price has increased in 5 of the last 10 days, but it remains down by 1.29% over this period. Trading volume also rose on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 4 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 8 million shares were exchanged for approximately $6.96 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $941.75, while the lowest was $481.40. Currently, the price is 7.65%, or $72.07, below the 52-week high of $941.75, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Netflix has made significant strides in the competitive streaming landscape, particularly in its pursuit of the sports audience. Former ESPN CEO Steve Bornstein emphasized that the company has executed its strategy effectively, a sentiment echoed by analysts following Netflix's recent quarterly earnings report. The streaming giant closed the year 2024 with a historic subscriber gain, reaching 302 million users, largely benefiting from its venture into live sports and the much-anticipated return of Squid Game. On the financial front, Netflix reported fourth-quarter results that not only exceeded analysts' expectations, but also prompted a buyback program amounting to $15 billion, sending shares up sharply. A revised forecast for the year 2025 also paints a positive outlook for revenue growth, adding approximately $40 billion to the company's market capitalization in after-hours trading. However, the news isn't entirely positive. Netflix announced another round of price hikes across all subscription tiers. While this could enhance revenue in the long term, short-term reactions may include subscriber churn. The introduction of live events is also expected to drive advertising revenue, strategically positioning Netflix against its competitors. In the long term, the diversification into live sports and advertising may solidify Netflix's market position, ensuring sustained growth and investor confidence. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 16th of January, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NFLX a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 15th of January, 2025, it was reported that Seaport Global assigned NFLX a buy rating with an upgrade recommendation. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned NFLX an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned NFLX an underweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned NFLX a sell rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Netflix stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Netflix. Today, there are mixed signals surrounding the stock. The Netflix stock indicates a buy signal based on the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates an overall negative outlook for the stock. Should there be further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $893.56. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will likely find support at the short-term average of $846.40. A breakthrough above the long-term average would signal another buy, while a drop below the short-term average would reinforce the sell signal and heighten the overall negative sentiment. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 11th, 2024, and since then, the stock has experienced a decline of 7.14%. Additional declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is interpreted as a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 26 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 5 days ago. The short-term moving average points to a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 11 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average indicated a sell signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 114 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Netflix. Netflix finds support from accumulated volume at $865.59. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $61.66 between its high and low, representing a change of 7.21%. In the past week, the stock has displayed daily average volatility of 3.39%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Netflix, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 21st of January, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates stand at $4.21. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Netflix. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Netflix is at $883.85. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a significant level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Netflix faces its first support level at $865.59. Should this support level hold, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Netflix from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 7th of January, 2025, Newman Spencer Adam made an insider purchase of 7,024 shares of common stock. On the same day, Newman Spencer Adam also conducted an insider sale of 3,333 shares of common stock. On January 7th, 2025, Hastings Reed executed an insider purchase of 468 shares of common stock. On that day, Hastings Reed conducted an insider sale of 233 shares of common stock. Additionally, on January 7th, 2025, Peters Gregory K. purchased 20,740 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades reveals a negative insider power with a ratio of negative 16.437. In summary, insiders acquired 146,588 shares, while selling 207,070 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Netflix stock a good buy? Netflix currently shows several concerning indicators, leading us to believe it will likely continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After examining its volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 22nd of January, we anticipate Netflix to open at $10.60 and begin trading at $880.28. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.